Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm the founder of LeadJourney, and in this video I want to reveal how the LeadJourney technology exactly works. A lot of people ask me, how does LeadJourney work? How is it possible to track every visitor? How is it possible to track the first source, the last source? In this video I want to explain you how our technology works, and to be honest, it's pretty simple. So the first step, what you're gonna do if you install LeadJourney, is that you create a tracking script and implement the tracking script inside your website header. That's pretty easy. And what LeadJourney can do after that, we can track every single visitor on your website. And to be honest, we are really transparent with our data. So we have a log here inside our LeadJourney dashboard, and you can see here every single visitor. So basically, a visitor is coming to your website, the LeadJourney tracking script is tracking this visitor, and every visitor gets a unique click ID. This is here inside this column, a unique click ID, and this click ID stays with the visitor for a long time. Doesn't matter if it's 1 week, 2 weeks, or 6 months, or even 1 year. And basically for every session, we create one log in our database. Then you see the click ID, you see the time, you see the traffic channel where the user came from, you see the domain where the event got tracked, you see the IP address, ESP, country, city, OS, browser, device, user agent, click ID, so for example FB click ID or G click ID, and you see UTM parameters like campaign, ad group, ad, and keyword. So this is like the raw data we collect from every single visitor. Doesn't matter if he declined the cookies or he accepts the cookies. We can track GDPR compliant because we're not tracking sensitive data like email, name, phone number, etc. Then basically, after we collect all the website traffic, you can connect your traffic channels. So for example, if you go to the dashboard, you can connect Meta ads and Google ads. And this is the next data source we get. That means we get all the numbers from Meta ads, from Google ads. So for example, if I go here into my traffic channel report, you get like all the impressions, clicks, CPCs, cost, CTR, all this data we get from the ad platform. And then we have a next data source, so we can draw a full picture of your performance marketing. And then the next step is that you create inside your settings the offline conversions. So basically it depends how your sales cycle look. You have maybe a lead, then you have a qualification call, then you have a closing call, then the lead is unqualified, lost, or won. And this data we get from your CRM. And basically we are compatible with almost every single CRM that can send webhooks. And 99% of all CRMs can send webhooks. That means you provide us with the data from your CRM, and then we can combine the click data from your website, the data from the ad platform, and the data from your CRM, and we can paint a full picture of your customer journey and make reports and see reports combined with ad platform data, CRM data, and then you have a really full picture of your customer journey, and it's really easy to make data-driven reports and the right decisions in performance marketing. And then a lot of people ask me how you can identify data from the CRM with data inside LeadJourney. It's really easy. So basically, for every single user, we create the click ID, and then the user goes to a website form. For example, here, book a free demo. And inside every single form, you have to create a hidden field. And this hidden field is called click ID. And then we get the click ID from our local storage, for example, or from a cookie, and insert it automatically inside this hidden form. That means if now somebody fills out the form, your CRM get the data like name, email address, phone number, etc., but also the click ID. And the click ID is our matcher. And then with the click ID, we can match data from the CRM. So you send, for example, qualified lead with the click ID. Then we match it, for example, with our click database. And then we can see exactly which user, where he came from, and what kind of conversion you generated through the CRM. This is how we can match data, and this is how the technology works. So we have different data points. We combine all these data points, and then you can see all the statistics inside the dashboard. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our support team. Just use our live chat, and then I would say we see us in the next video.